Hi guys, welcome back to Manny Centric. Today we're doing a really quick nail look using minimal techniques. Right now I've got one coat of Maniology Brightening Base Coat on. Don't forget to use my code MANIC10 to get 10% off when you go to Maniology site. And then my base color is going to be Julep Roslyn. My dry brush is going to be Orly Mind Over Matter. And then finally, I'm going to be using for my accent dots, Ella Mila Champagne Pop. And now that we've got all of the colors and polishes, we can go ahead and get started. So real quick, we're going to just go ahead and show me painting on the base coat. Right now is a great time to say thank you guys so much for your subscriptions and for coming to watch this video. I really appreciate your time. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, commenting, liking, sharing so that I know you're there. And then we can go ahead and start like really getting into hanging out and talking about nails. That's one coat right there, which should be fine, but I really wanted it fully opaque, so I went in for two coats with Roslyn to make sure that it is totally opaque before I start with my nail art. Sorry guys, I apologize for my voice. I don't know what's going on with it. I'm kind of like losing it a little bit. And then as soon as I finish my thumb, I'm going to go ahead and let my nails dry, but also put on a little bit of that Born Pretty liquid latex, just in case I make a little bit of a mess. With the dry brush technique, you want to make sure that you're clearing off polish off the front and the back. I also do side to side if I need to. A little bit harder since the brush is black, but we're going to go ahead and zoom in so that you guys can see how it goes on like a nice stroke. It's full bodied, and then you could kind of see the brush strokes at the end, which is exactly what I was going for because it's a minimalistic nail art. And then now that I've got that, I'm going to go ahead and accent it with a couple of dots. Well, 3 dots. But I basically just dabbed a little bit of polish on my silicone mat, and then I just dip my dotting tool into it and place it on my nail. And as you guys could see, this is so monumentally, extremely easy. It takes no skill, and you probably could get away with it without even using tools. Like if you've got a toothpick or if you've got a bobby pin, you can use either one of those to make your dots, and you're totally done. I, on the other hand, could not get enough of champagne pop, so I had to put accents on my other nails, which is just 3 dots on my index finger and 1 dot on my pinky, just because I was afraid that the dot line wouldn't be totally straight. But that's it. That's the full look. Thank you guys again for joining me. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day.